Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of abandoned cart for Shopware 6. Now this is a beneficial plugin for the Shopware store owners, as using the same they can with the customers who have abandoned the cart or the shopping cart in the midway. The store owners or the admin can notify the customers about their abandoned cart and can also waive the products within the respective abandoned carts as well. On the other hand, the customers will receive the abandoned cart email having the details of the products within the abandoned cart and a link to make a checkout. Tapping the link would redirect the customer directly to the checkout, or first they'll have to log into their account and then they'll be redirected to the checkout there for placing the order for the abandoned cart. After this, the customer abandoned cart listing will get removed from the backend plugin configuration settings as well. So all in all, this particular plugin allows the admin to view the list of the customers who have abandoned the cart, select the sales channel, view complete details about the cart abandoned. Admin can also view the name and the email of the customer and can view whether the notify has been sent to the respective customer or not. The admin can view the last notified date and time, set the custom subject line for the email, set the email template for sending emails to the customers, and the admin can notify the customers manually for the abandoned carts there. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the abandoned cart for Shopware 6 at the customer's end, and then I'll be showing you the rest of the workflow at the admin's end as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm not logged into my customer account. So let's do one thing. Let's log into the customer account by tapping on the login button, and let's log into the admin to the customer account panel there. Now let me go to the free time and electronics category here, and let me add a few products into the cart, like this bag, a firm bottle, and a watch. So you can see that I have 3 products in my cart right now, and the total is for 1,449 euros. Now what happens is that maybe I've logged out, I'll log out of the account there, or I just close the browser window here and I'm not making a checkout there. Now what will happen is that the store owner or the admin would be able to view the products within the respective abandoned cart in the admin backend panel. So for that, let's hop onto the admin backend panel, and let me log into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you'll have to navigate through settings, extensions, and here you have 2 different options. One is the abandoned cart and the abandoned configuration. We'll go through the abandoned configuration in a while. From now, let's go to the abandoned cart. Now here you can see that the abandoned cart by Smiddo, email test@webkul.com. the sales channel is Webkul. He has never been notified. From here we can view the details of the products within the abandoned cart as well. So here we have the name, email, sales channel of the customer, the 3 products that were there within the cart. So if you remember, here we had left 3 products within the cart itself. So all of those products are visible here to the admin as well. That's the bag, a foam bottle, and the watch, and the total is 1,449 euros there itself. Now the admin can notify the customer about the abandoned cart by tapping here on the notify button, or he can go back and under the listing of the abandoned cart here, he can tap here and he can tap on the notify button. As soon as he taps on the notify button, the customer would receive the particular email. Here you can see the success message as well, that the customer was notified successfully, and the customer will receive one email for the abandoned cart there. So here's the email that the customer has received with the subject name as forget something in cart. Hi Smiddo, you left the following cart products at Webkul shop. The products with the images, the product name, the price of the products, their quantities, their total, and here we have a link to check out with the cart products. Now the customer can tap here on the link to check out with your cart products. Now this email is configurable one, and you can configure it as per your own requirements there. So I'll show you that as well, how the admin can configure the subject headline or the subject tagline there, the subject tagline and the content within the same. So tapping here on this particular link would redirect the customer to the checkout page, and if he is logged in, he'll be able to view his particular cart and can make a checkout there after. Otherwise, if he is not logged in, he'll have to log into his account first, and then he'll be redirected to the checkout to place the order for the abandoned cart products there. Let's go back. So here you can see that after tapping on the click here button there in the email to complete the checkout there, I've been redirected to the checkout page with all of the 3 products within the cart there, and from here I can tap here on the submit order button to submit the order. As soon as I submit the order and complete the particular abandoned cart products and place the order for those, the customer's name would be removed from the abandoned cart list here. So if I go ahead and I tap on the submit order button, okay, I have to check this, I have terms and conditions, and let's tap here on the submit order button. Let the order complete itself. The order has been completed, as you can see. Now if you go and I refresh the abandoned cart list here, the particular customer details would be removed because the customer has placed the order for the abandoned cart there. So you can see that this particular section is empty right now. That was the abandoned cart section. Now let's go to settings and extensions, and let's go to the abandoned configuration. So under abandoned cart, we can see the complete list of abandoned carts that have been left out by the customers there, and from here we can view the products within the abandoned cart and view the details of the products there, and we can notify the customers as well about their abandoned carts. Now under the abandoned cart configuration here, we'll be able to choose the sales channels where we want to use this thing. Then we can set up the email subject. So here we have set up forget something in cart. The same was visible within the email as well. And here is the email template that we have set up. Hi, first name, last name. You left the following cart products at sales channel products. Click redirect to check out to the click redirect or click here to check out your cart products. Now here we have provided some keywords that can be used within the email itself. Like for the customer first name, you can use first name. For last name, last name. For the sales channel, you can use sales_channel. For products that were left within the cart, you can use products. For redirect to the checkout there, for the link that we can see here, click here to check out to the products, to check out your cart products. You can use redirect, and to display the admin name or the owner of the store, you can use admin, as you can see here within the admin section itself. After configuring this up, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings there. So yes, that was much about the abandoned cart for Shopware 6, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this is beneficial for the Shopware store owners, and using the same how they can with the customers who have abandoned the shopping cart in the midway, and how these store owners can notify the customers about their abandoned cart and can also view the products within their respective abandoned cart as well. So if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.